Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Uncovered. My name is Antonio, and today we'll be covering the basics on how to get started investing in the crypto market. If you're new to the channel, our goal is to help people understand the basics about crypto and to get started in this new market. The information on the video is not financial advice and should be taken for the entertainment purposes only. Let's get started on how to invest in cryptocurrency. So what you will need is access to an exchange or broker, which will connect you to the market and allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. The exchanges are present in most countries, and to open an account, they have different requirements, depending on where you live, but usually it's pretty straightforward. Your details, valid ID, and proof of residence. You can see now is the coin market cap ranking of exchanges. They have over 300 exchanges. It's a good resource for you to check, depending on where you live and the currency that you want to deposit. They have lots of exchanges, and one of them will be applicable to you, and you can do your research. Some of them are very well known. For instance, Coinbase is the largest exchange by users. It's headquarters in the US, and it has the stocks now trading in the NASDAQ. So it's the first crypto exchange actually gone public. So if you don't like to get exposure to cryptocurrencies directly, this is an option for you. You can buy stocks of Coinbase on the NASDAQ stock exchange and get your exposure to cryptocurrencies through the exchange. I currently use two brokers. I use Binance and Etoro. They're both regulated exchanges, which give you a bit more of a security. They're very different platforms, and I will talk a little bit about them from personal experience, but this is not personal endorsement or paid advertisement. With Binance, it is tailored specifically for the crypto market with low commissions and many features to maximize your earning potential. The platform can look quite intimidating at first if you have no trading experience, but they offer many staking options, which allows you to earn yield by depositing your cryptocurrency for a specific time frame. We will cover staking in another video in the near future. With Etoro, on the other hand, it's like a social platform. It feels much easier to use. You can copy other traders. You can comment and follow people's ideas. They offer stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. So it's a multi-asset platform, very easy to use. But in terms of crypto, they are a little bit limited. They only have about 15 to 20 cryptos. So if you want to invest in the many cryptocurrencies or the up-and-coming cryptocurrencies, maybe you might be leaning towards Binance. But if you want just to buy the big cryptocurrencies, the established cryptocurrencies, Etoro will be a good option as well. The commission on those trades are not as cheap compared to other brokers, but if your idea is to invest for the long term and you not be day trading, Etoro could be a very interesting opportunity. If you invest in other assets, you can do all of that in just one platform instead of having multiple accounts. We will release a video in the future with tutorial on how to use Binance and Etoro, so you can visualize in more detail their experiences and their trading functions. If you'd like to sign up to any of these exchanges, I have a sign up link in the description. If you join today, the link will help the channel. And with Binance, you also get a 10% discount on your trading commissions. So if you did your research and you decided which exchange to join, and you're happy with the fees they charge and how they operate, you'll have to fund your account. All right, exchanges offer a wide range of funding methods. Most of them accept bank transfers, credit and debit card deposits, crypto deposits from other exchanges or wallets, and person-to-person exchanges. In terms of Binance, I have here Brazilian Real. I'm Brazilian. This is the accent that you can hear. So in terms of Brazilian Real, if you want to deposit your money in Brazil, you have a bank deposit as an option, credit card and debit card, cash balance with your Brazilian Real balance, and person-to-person trading. But with Binance, they have several options. If you want to deposit euros, you can see the different options there. They would change, and even the third-party payments would change. If you want to deposit your US dollars, then again, the options would change. So with Binance, the options will be based on your location and the currency that you want to deposit. Now with Etoro, Etoro is pretty straightforward. Is the usual funding methods, which are wire transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. And then depending on your location, they have some particular ways you can deposit, such as PayPal, for instance. Again, just do your research and see which ones works best for you, but also do the research on how to withdraw those funds, because that's important as well. Once you made the money, you want to know that it is quite easy to withdraw the money. I used eToro already to withdraw. Basically, if I deposit with a debit card, and the initial amount will have to go back to the debit card. So if you deposit $1,000, that $1,000 has to go back to the debit card first, and then you can choose another method of withdrawing. But that has to be with your name and has to be all verified because of money laundering rules. With Binance, they have different methods as well. One that's very interesting is the person-to-person method of transfer, because you avoid the few fees that you have to withdraw. And the person depositing as well, it's very interesting, the person-to-person, because again, you avoid some of the fees that they charge you to deposit into the account as well. We're bringing this video to a close. I hope we managed to get you started on how to look for the exchanges and the basic functions that you need to have a look at. And please give us some feedback on the comment section. If you have any suggestions for future videos, we'll be happy to hear. And remember that investing in cryptocurrency is risky, and do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. I don't know if you paid attention when we have the Binance website on. Some of the currencies were dropping 12%, 8%. So you should do your research before you make any investments. And this is the crypto market for you. It goes up 50% one day, it goes down 50% the next day. You have to be ready for this roller coaster. You have to invest money that you can afford to lose, and invest in a diversified manner. So if you like the channel and if you like the video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, because it helps other people like you to view the video. And you can follow us on Instagram if you like some time-sensitive information that we can share that for you. It was a pleasure to host you today, and we'll see you on the next video.